Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. This is my next installment in my Sample Saturday series. This is what I keep my samples that I go through every week in, and let's get right into it. So the first one I have is from Brandt. It is a citron and vetiver body lotion. I'm not really sure where I got this. It was an okay lotion. It was an okay smell. It was okay moisturization wise. It wasn't anything special, but it wasn't like awful by any means either. The next one I actually really like the scent of, and this one I do know where it comes from because it's made for Wyndham. So certain Wyndham hotels use this. It is a Blue Harmony Tranquility Hydrating Body Lotion, and it smells so good. It has like a kind of a sea scent to it. So that's the next one I used. And I think I have some more that will be coming up in next week's as well. Then from Bath & Body Works, it is a Rain Kissed Leaves Volumizing Conditioner. This was okay. It's a little green scented for me, but I do think it is a good conditioner, and it does well at conditioning, but not leaving your hair overly greasy. The next one is a conditioner I actually really like. It is the Matrix Total Results Repair Conditioner. So they have different versions of these. I usually get the Amplify one. That's what I normally buy. But I do like this one as well. I think it is a good second place in that line. Then I went through two of the Pleasure shampoos from Planet Hollywood because I'm getting rid of those. Anything this size or smaller. Like I said last week, it's not my favorite. It kind of smells peppery, but more like red peppers, not black pepper. Not that I like black pepper either. So that was not my favorite. And then I went through a lot of foil packets. So we'll go through those, which is good because I don't think I'm going to have as many next week because I have slightly larger things. Really amazing Microdermabrasion by Dr. Brandt. Little one. I think this is the black one. It's kind of confusing because it has the two colors, but I like both of them that I've tried. So really enjoyed that. Do recommend that one. Then we have from L'Oreal, it's an Age Perfect Hydro Nutrition Golden Balm. This was okay. It was a little thick and sticky for me. It wasn't something that I normally would reach for. But I think if you have drier skin or more aged skin than I do, even though I'm not going to tell my age, but even though I don't have 20 skin anymore, I look younger than I am. But I don't have that aging skin yet, so I think this is more for that age. My mom might have enjoyed it. Then we have a coconut oil facial moisturizer from Palmer's Palmer's normally cocoa butter. This was okay. I felt like it was really thin, and I want something with a little more depth when I put cream on. I don't want it to like slip all over before it kind of goes in, and I felt like it did that. So I think it was a little heavy on the oils. Let me kind of organize. Then we have another L'Oreal Age Perfect Hydro Nutrition. This is the Day Night Cream. This I liked better than the Golden Balm, but I felt like it's so scented. That is the one thing I don't like about L'Oreal products, is everything that they have is perfumed, and I don't like perfumed stuff. If it has a natural scent, I'm okay with it as long as it smells all right. But for my face, I don't want something that has extra scent in it. Then we have another one from L'Oreal. This is the Vitalist Bright Reveal Brightening and Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer Sunscreen. So many words. And this one is pretty good, but again, it has that scent that all L'Oreal products have. So I wouldn't, unless you want that perfume scent, I wouldn't recommend this one either. Then we have a couple of shampoo and conditioners. This first one is from Verb. This is the C Shampoo and C Conditioner. I really liked these. They smelled really good. they did a good job of cleansing my hair and moisturizing it. I felt like I had a little texture to it, so it didn't leave it as smooth and shiny as I'm normally used to, but I thought it was pretty good. The next one I have is from Alterna, and this is the Caviar Repair Instant Recovery Shampoo and Conditioner. And I did not like these as well. I didn't think they smelled as good. And I just felt like they didn't do quite as good of a job. Actually, I found that the past couple weeks since I started this, my hair has been oilier at my scalp, and I think it's because I'm trying all these different shampoos and conditioners, and not that I put conditioner in my scalp, but I think it's just affecting the normal, how my skin normally is up there. So it'll be interesting to go back to my standbys here in a little bit. Then we have from IGK, this is Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm, and this feels like silicone. So if you do not like silicone, like you don't like the Smashbox primer, I felt like the Smashbox primer for your hair, which was really weird to me. It did go in pretty good, but I felt like it left my hair a little, not stickier, but just it had more, it didn't sink into my hair. It left kind of a film on it, which I was not a fan of. So I don't like that. This is from Derma-E. This is the Microdermabrasion Scrub. This was okay. It's similar to the Dr. Brandt, but it doesn't have as many granules in it. So I didn't like that. I wish it was a little bit more scrubby in its texture. So that was another one that I wasn't quite excited about. And then my last one is the Breakout Clearing Pore Control Scrub from Dermalogica. It's the Clear Start. And I don't know what it was with this. I know that this line, almost everything I don't like the scent of for one reason or another. They either have something that really stinks or something that's just overpowering. One of them, the only one that I remember kind of liking, it smells like Fruit Loops to me. Like it's just, they're all weirdly scented, but this made me like gag because it smelled so bad. And I don't know if it just went bad or if it was the actual scent, but I definitely would not recommend this. And if it went bad, that kind of concerns me because I haven't had this like a very long time. So I would avoid this one at all costs. That is my samples for this week. Let me know if you are trying out your samples, if you're trying to use these up as well. You can also visit a couple of my friends here on YouTube, Finding My Tiara and Tiffany Dawn, Mad for Makeup. They both have sample series as well. I will link their channels down below so you can check them out if you would like to. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you haven't subscribed already, I would really appreciate it if you would. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.